Hi, Canadian Tire's Tested for Life program has sent me the Stanley 145-piece mixed tool set for review as part of their program. So got a lifetime limited warranty on it. Immediately out of the box, looking at the case, it looked and appeared, and it is a high quality case that they actually send you. It was nice to see. It's got a secure locking mechanism on it here, keeps it closed when you're traveling or bouncing around in the back of your truck. The hinges on the case itself are actually an injected molded hinge. They're not the typical piece of plastic that's going to crack and break and come off after a half dozen openings or so. It's got a nice handle up the top there to carry it. And when you are carrying it around your tools in this case, they stay securely in their spot. They're not all over the place when you open it up, which is another nice touch. You might notice actually there, the only issue I had with this is upon arrival, the quarter-inch drive handle here didn't have the spring behind the ball there, so it couldn't keep any of the sockets on it. But calling the number on the back of the packaging here, it provides for Stanley. I spoke to a lovely lady over there, and by the next afternoon, I had a brand new quarter-inch drive handle arrive at my house, delivered by, I think it was Pure later. So no issues at all with the warranty claim system. That was fantastic. General comments about the tools, I mean, they're good quality. There's no issues with anything other than that one out of the box. The tape measure itself, it's only a 16 foot, but good for just somebody around the house. It's got both centimeters and inches into it. The simple things like the screwdriver, the flat standard screwdriver here, they've thought of, and they actually have put the grooves on that screwdriver. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here, but just makes it a little bit better when you're turning the screw and keeps it from slipping out of the groove while you're doing that. The ratchet, the 3/8" drive ratchet, it's got 72 teeth, allows for tighter, less swing when you're actually trying to turn a socket in a tight close quarters. All in all, this kit, excellent kit, a lot of variety of tools in here, a big variety of bits there. Something nice and compact you can just take, put it in the trunk of your car if you're going somewhere you don't know exactly what tool you're going to need for the job you're going to be into. It's very convenient, and it's a high quality set, what I'd say. I don't know what their asking price is for this. Like I said, it was sent to me to be tested, so I'm not quite sure on that. But the tools in it, I can attest, they're decent. They've worked out well for me for the last 2 weeks that I've been using them. The warranty service is second to none. That was my complaint or issue was promptly dealt with, and the replacement sent out. I wouldn't have lost any downtime really. So all in all, this is a set that I would recommend if anyone's looking for something with a variety of tools, something to just throw in the trunk of their car and take with them. This is a great little thing. Thanks very much.